For today class, actually I'm going to talk about two things. We're going to learn in Gmail, which is out of office reply and also canned responses. So we're going to discuss about these two. So similar with the other webinar, so kindly ensure that you mute your microphone. You can use the chat features to ask questions, and I will suggest you to pin my presentation so you can see my demonstration as well. And this class will be recorded for educational purposes. So again, for today, we're going to see how can we set up automatic replies in Gmail with and without conditions. So just introduction for your Gmail. So if you open up your Gmail, so this is how your Gmail is going to looks like, and I'm going to explain to you. So here you will see your inbox where all your email will be sent to you are found here. Okay, here will be the location of all your email, and then you have this in here you have inbox. So you will see the numbers of unread email will be beside your inbox. You will see like a numbers of unread email. If you have any unread email, you will see a number beside your inbox. Okay, you will see a number. So that's is the total of email, unread email. And if you want to compose, if you want to write a new email, you may click on compose to start writing a new email. So this is how a Gmail looks like. So so I believe everybody here already have a Gmail account. So this is how your Gmail looks like. Okay. So here first we're going to see how can we do automatic response in Gmail. The first things we're going to see here is canned responses. Okay, I said there's two things we're going to have a look at today, which is out of office responses, okay, or you can say vacation reply, and then this one we have canned responses. Okay, there's a few things that you need to keep in mind if you choose to use canned responses. Okay, canned responses for automatic reply. There's a few things that you need to keep in mind. Once you're decided that you want to use this canned responses automatic reply, please keep in mind that only new email, only new email that match the criteria that you going to set up will receive the automatic reply. Okay, for example, today in the morning, I sent you an email. Okay, I sent you an email, and then in the afternoon, you set up the automatic responses for canned responses. Okay, you set up the automatic reply, and then you use canned responses in the afternoon. I send you an email in the morning. Even though my email in the morning meet the criteria that you set up, okay, but then I will not receive the automatic reply because the email that I sent was in the morning. So only if you set up in the afternoon and I send you the email in the evening, then only I will receive the automatic reply. We will have a look at this later on, but there's a few things that you need to keep in mind. It's only applicable for the new email that meet the criteria will receive the automatic reply. And the other thing, it will alter your email address, but then you don't have to worry. Even though people reply to that email, you will be the one who receive the email. Okay, again, let's say I send you the email in the afternoon. Okay, I sent you the email in the afternoon, and then my email fit your criteria for automatic responses using canned responses. All right, you set up in the afternoon, then in the evening I send you the email, then I'll receive automatic reply from you. But then the email address will not come from you, will not come from katie@source247.org, but then it will be modified. It will have this plus candidate.responsive. Okay, so this is fixed. Okay, this is fixed to indicate that actually this email was sent using canned responses. But then you don't have to worry. If anyone reply to this email, it will still go to your inbox. Okay, it will still go to your inbox. It just you're going to add this bit at the end of your original email. Okay, so it will add can responses, because to let the person who received the email knows that it's not you who reply, but it's automatic response. Okay, so these two things that you need to be aware if you choose to use these can responses. Okay, what is can responses that I keep talking? So to find the can responses option, again, this is your inbox. You need to go to your settings. So you are looking for the setting gears in your Gmail. Okay, on your top right, okay, above all your inbox mail, you will see this logo. In your Gmail, you will see this gear logo. Okay, gear logo. So looking for this icon. So you click on the icon and then go with setting. Okay, you click on the setting gear icon and then choose settings. Okay, from your inbox, choose settings. Once you click on settings, it will bring you here, your inbox settings. What you need to go and do right now, so it will bring you to general. Okay, so this is general tab. Go to advanced. Okay, go to advanced. In your settings, go to advanced. It will be the last one. You can find it on the very right. Okay, you have general, labels, inbox, accounts, filter, forwarding, add-on, chat and meet. You are looking for advanced, the last options. Okay, in your setting. So you click on advanced. So you will see future, you will see this. So there's a plenty of thing available for you. But the one that we are looking for today, for can responses, you are looking at template. Okay, you are searching for template, enable template. Okay, kindly enable template. So just click here and then save changes. Let's go to my email now. Okay, just going to my Gmail. So this is my Gmail. Go to your settings here. So it's going to be on the top right. Okay, settings. Click on that and click on settings. Okay, the gear, and then click on settings option. So here is your settings. So you are currently in general. The option that we're looking for will be advanced. So you will find it on the right side option. So click on advanced. Okay, advanced. So here I have advanced. So the product that we are using now is scan responses. To use scan responses, you need to enable template. If it's not enabled, kindly ensure it's enabled. Okay. If it's already enabled, okay, that's good. We can proceed. But if it's not, kindly ensure that it is enabled. Once you make the changes, click on Save Changes. Okay. Once you're done in this part, click on Save Changes. Okay. Enable template, Save Changes. So now we are going to start creating our can responses template. Okay. To start creating can responses template, the very first thing you want to do is to remove any signature. Okay. Kindly ensure it's empty. If you have created signature before, kindly empty and remove the signature. Okay, because in order to create the template, it needs to be empty. Because if you have your signature in your template, then later on it will be double signature, because whenever you use template, and then your signature will automatically be added, so you don't have to put your signature. So it just empty, you doesn't have to put any signature first. Okay, you don't have to worry about your signature, so it's just an empty document. You don't have to worry, because once you use the template later on, your signature will be there. So only for the template, you don't have to put your signature. So remove your signature if you have any. So now we are going to create our template. So the template will take subject. Okay, the template will take the subject. So you can type in any subject. Okay, you can type in any subject. And also you can start typing the body, whatever details that you want to put in, like writing a normal message. Okay, like writing a normal message, your email. Okay, so here you want to click on the more option button. You can find the button on the top beside the trash bin. Okay, there's a three dot. Okay, that's for more option. You click on that more option, and then since we are going to save this as a template, go to template. Okay, click on that, bring your cursor to template, bring your cursor to template, bring your cursor to save draft as template. Okay, save draft as template, save as a new template. Okay, so more option here, template, save draft as a template, save as a template. So once you click save as a template, they will ask you for a template names. So it can be any name. So as long as it will be easier for you to recognize what kind of details it
All
is
right.
for you.
Sorry to interrupt. Can you
Yes.
just restart the process? I don't know where you click to come up with this. Do you need to compose a new one or what?
Yes, you need to compose a new one. So this is coming from, if you every time you compose a new email, it will come up in the bottom. So once you click on compose, it always be there. So all you need to do, you just click on the menu option here. After you start typing your subject, if after you already key in your content of the email, and then once you are happy with it, you want to save as a template. So to do that, you just click on the more options button, click on template, click on save draft as a template, and then click again save as a new template. Once you click on save as a new template, okay, so it will pop up like this. Enter a new template name. So you can just give it any name. So as long as it is easy for you to know what is the content of the template, because like for my case, I have already created a few templates and I give it a name related to the content, which is will make it easier for me to know the content of my template. So you just give it a name, so then it will ready to go. So this is if I try to compose another mail. So this is among the reason why I ask you, when you're creating the template, you need to remove all your signature. Okay, you need to remove all your signature, because every time when you compose a new mail, your signature will be there. But when you are designing the template, just remove your signature. So now I'm going to use the template which I just created. To do that, okay, I compose a new mail, so my signature will be there. Okay, so this is my signature. And then I just click on the more option. I bring my cursor to template. Now I just call back the template, which is can responses. Is the name of the template I just created. Can responses. So now if I go to more option, template, can responses, when I click on that, so the subject, which is can responses, and also the detail, which is automatic reply. will automatically be added. Okay, will automatically be added into my compose, into my new email that I want to compose. So now let's try it out. So you already enable your template in your settings. Okay, ensure you enable it. So go to advanced again, enable save changes. Now let's go back to my Gmail. Okay, so in your Gmail, click on compose. Okay, click on compose. So now we're going to create a new template. Remember, to create a new template, you need to remove your signature first. Okay, you want to remove your signature first. To go to the can responses, kindly go to settings here. From your Gmail, go to settings, okay. Look for the gear button, settings, and then click on settings again. Just go to advanced. Go to advanced, enable template. Okay, in your settings, go to advanced, look for template and ensure it's enabled. And after you enable it, if it's already enabled, that's good. But if it's not, kindly enable it and then save changes. Okay, now we are going to create a template. So let's just compose. Okay, now I'm going to show you what happened if I didn't remove my signature. Okay, I didn't remove my signature. So this one, with, okay, I just put my title there with signature. And then here, just type in your email like normal. Okay, just type in your email like normal. Let's say, how are you? Okay, so now this is my template. Let's say I want to go with this template. I'm going to save this. So to do that, go to more option. It will be on the bottom beside your trash bin. So click on more option. Bring your cursor to template. Okay. Save draft as template. Alright. Template, save draft as template, and go with the option save as new template. You click save as new template. Let's say here I put the template title with signature, save. Okay, so now let me just delete this. So now let's say I'm going to create another email that using that template. What will happen? So let me just compose. Oh, sorry. So this is my signature. So every time I have open up a new email which I want to compose, my signature will be there. So let's now call the template. To call the template, you're going to do the same step. Click on more option. Okay, more option. Bring your cursor to template. Now choose the template. Remember, I just created with signature. Okay, with signature. So now let's see what happened. When I click on with signature, you see my signature will be double. My signature will be double. That's why when you are creating the template, kindly ensure that you remove your signature. Okay, when you are creating a template, kindly remove your signature because you will not be needing your signature to be double like this one. Okay, so now let's create another one. This time I'm going to remove my template, sorry, my signature. Okay, so this one is without my signature. Okay, this template will be saved without my signature. Okay, this template is saved without my signature. So let's do it again. Let's save this template. To do that, go to more option, template, save draft as a template, save as new template. Now click. The title of my template will be without signature, save. Okay, save. So now Let's just delete this and then compose another one. So every time I click on compose, I will have my signature ready there. Then let's now call the template. More option, template, and then, template, and call the template. So I'm going to use without signature. Okay, insert template without signature. Click. So here, as you can see, there's only one signature. Okay, there's only one signature. But if you didn't delete your signature, when you are creating the template, it will become like this. Your signature will be double. Okay, your signature will be double. That's the reason why when you are creating the template, kindly ensure that your template is empty. Okay, kindly ensure that your template completely empty. There's no signature on that because it will be repeating like this one. So that's how you apply your template into your can responses. So now we're going to set up the automatically send using the can responses. Okay, just before this, we already learned how can we set up. Okay, how can we set up the can responses. Now we're going to see how can we set the automatically send. Okay, how can we set the automatically send can responses? To do that, again, everything from your Gmail. So in your Gmail, if you notice on the top, there will be like a search area for you. Okay, on the top there are search area for you. You can search any Gmail. Okay, you can search any mail that you want. Okay, so you want to click on the drop down button on your bar. So let's go back here. Here on the top. Okay, on the top here, search mail. So you want to click on this show search option. Show search option. So this is the one. Okay, you want to click on. Okay, here on the top, search mail. Okay, you want to click on this show search option. Okay, you click on this, and then this thing will come out. This thing will come out. Alright, when you click on that, then it will give you more option. Let's go back here. Alright, it will give you more option. So what is this? So this one allowing you to create a filter. Allowing you to create a filter. For example here, if I receive any email from this person, okay, this is an example. I will give you more example. For example here, from. So that's mean I'm going to create a filter for this particular person. If I receive any email from edu@solve247.org, okay, click on create filter, and then I choose send template. Okay, alright. So you are searching for this one after creating the filter. Create filter. So here, send template. Choose your template. So you have created a few template. Let's say I've created a few template, as you can see. So when I choose the template, okay, I just choose the template that I want to use. Again, this template is come from your can responses that you have created. Okay, you have created the template, right, in your can responses. So now you can choose the template here and then create filter. Now, what will it do after it create the filter? So, if I receive any email from edu@souls247.org, it will automatically send template, which is this, the title of my template is template. So it will automatically reply it will automatically reply to edu@souls247 together with the template. Okay, but it doesn't have to be email. There's a few things that you can filter it with, such as if the if you are looking for includes the word. Okay, let's say you have a company. Okay, let's have a company. So most of the time, your customer will use the words order. Okay, we'll use the word order, inquiry. Okay, so you can put in the include words part, order, inquiry, and then you can create filter, and then you can send template. You can choose the template for auto respond for any customer question. Okay, because you cannot choose unknown. Okay, you cannot choose unknown means that if the person you must have something that you want to filter it with. Okay, you must have something such as what is the subject they're going to talk about, what is the words that the customer going to use. Okay, or let's say if it should not be any work related. Okay, so let's say work. So if the email that sent doesn't have the word work, okay, then only it will automatically reply with the filter that I'm going to create, which is create filter, send template, with or without signature, or whatever template you have created. Let's go with can responses, and just go with create filter. Okay, just to make it easier, let me just demo that. Let me just send something to myself. Okay, let me just send something to myself that for you to see. Okay, so if I receive any email from myself, okay, so it doesn't have to be yourself, but it can be anyone else. This is just a demonstration that I'm going to give to you. So let's say I receive something from myself. Okay, just remove this first, and I'm going to create filter. Okay, now I choose the send template. Okay, click on that, and it will automatically reply with this can responses. Okay, it will automatically reply with this template. So now I'm going to create the filter. Okay, your filter was created. So that means it's already created. So now let's just send an email to myself. Okay, so let me just empty this. I'm going to send hi. Okay, I'm going to send to myself. I'm going to send it. Okay, I have, wait, yeah, it's not yet sent. Hi, John Hedy. For the signature, I will not be able to show you, but then I have classes on that session before. You might want to check out the other classes, which is optimizing Gmail. So you can watch the video and have a look. Okay. So for the signature, I have discussed in other classes. Just wait up. Go to settings. Just give it a moment because sometimes it takes sometimes to apply the new reply, but then I should be able to get the reply, and again it will not be from Katie, it will be Katie plus Ken dot responses edu@solve247.org. Remember, when can responses automatically reply to someone, it will not be coming from that from your email, but it will modify your email address. So that's for the template. Okay, let's just give it a moment to reply. Meanwhile, I just continue. Okay, so that's creating a template, because for the filter, it's up to you. It's up to you because you're the one who come up with the filter. Maybe you want to have, let's say if the message is asking about your upcoming classes, let's say you're a teacher. If the email have something to do with classes, so you can put the keyword, which is include the word class. Okay, and then you create filter based on the keyword, which is create filter, and you choose the template for your class. And then let's say if the subject have to do with work. Okay, let's say if the subject have to do with work, and then you just type in work, create filter, and then send template, you choose a different template. So this filter, it's up to you how you want to create the filter. It's based on the usage, okay, of yourself. So that's create a filter is totally up to you what type of filter that you want to use, what kind of data that you want to filter to be used with the can responses. Okay, so but you must choose at least one. That's why I said even though you cannot leave it empty, because if you leave it empty, you cannot create filter. Okay, you must fill in some criteria. Okay, you must fill in some criteria. That's why you need to come out. Is it related to work? Okay, is it related to work? And then if it's related to work, you can create filter, and then choose the template accordingly that something to do with work. Let's say it should be with signature. Don't forget to tick on that. Okay, so it's totally up to you, but you must at least have one criteria, else it will not be able to filter it. Again, just don't forget, it will be create filter. Ensure that you tick on the send template, and then just choose your template and then create filter. Okay, because sometimes maybe you want to modify your filter. Okay, maybe you want to modify your filter. Maybe you created by accident, you want to delete it. Okay, how to do that? Again, you need to go to your settings. Setting here in your Gmail, go on setting, go filter and block addresses. Okay, before this you go to advanced, but this time you are going to filter and block addresses. Okay, filters and block addresses, click on that. So it will bring you into this page. Okay, it will bring you into this page. Like I said, if you want to delete, you can just simply click delete. So it will delete the filter that created by you. Okay, it will delete the filter. Or if you wish to edit, okay, if you wish to edit the filter, let's say here I already created. If I receive an email from edu@source247, I'm going to reply with this template. Okay, I'm going to reply it with this template. So now let's just edit it. So click on edit. Once you click on edit, okay, once you click on edit, so here again, this is where you set up the criteria. This is where you set up the criteria. Click after you made the changes, click on continue. Okay, click on continue. After you make the changes, again here, go to filter and block addresses. Find for the filter that you want to edit or delete. If you want to delete, just simply click delete. If you want to edit, click on edit, and then it will bring you here. So here it will automatically come out. Okay, you don't have to worry. This tab will automatically come out, and then you just make the modification if you want to, and then just click continue. Okay, click on continue. Here you can change it as well. Maybe you created a new template, So you can change into the other template. Okay, send template. So you can choose a different template. Maybe you already update the template. So now once you're done, you're happy with the update, just click on update filter. Okay, just click on update filter and your filter will be updated. Okay, and your filter will be updated. So now that's for can responses. So let's just go here as well. Okay, settings. Okay, so this is my settings. You are looking for filters and block addresses. Okay, you are looking for filter and block addresses. For mine, since I already have created few filter. Okay, so you would here I will find all the filter created. Okay, let's say here I have created as well. If I send it from me, it will send the template can responses, or if it's coming from this email, this is my personal email, so it will also send this template which is can responses. So if you're wondering, so this is the template should come out, template can responses. So can responses will reply like this. Okay, for can responses, this is my template. So it will automatically reply with this email. Okay, it will automatically reply with this email. So if you don't want it, you can just delete it. So this is how can you delete. So you just go to filter and block addresses, click on delete. Okay, so it just asks you confirm, then you just say okay, and then it will remove your filter has been deleted. So now to edit, click on edit. Okay, just click on edit and it will bring you back to your inbox. Okay, it will bring you back to the inbox, but you don't have to worry. So here it will show you all the condition you have set up earlier. Okay, it will show you all the condition you set up earlier. If you set up the condition based on the subject, it will display your subject here. If you set up based on the word included, the words will be here. So now you can make changes to the character as well. So here, let's say from katie@gmail.com includes the word hi, let's say. Now I'm just going to continue. So if it's coming from katie@gmail.com with the words hi, what it's going to do is, what will my email do is, it will automatically send a template of can responses. So it will reply with this template of can responses. So now here you will see also apply filter to one matching conversation. Okay, you can do this, but then just keep in mind, remember, if it's already happened before you create the filter, the automatic response will not be sent. Okay, even though they allow you to apply the filter to the previous conversation, but can responses will not be sent to the previous conversation. It will only apply to the new conversation that fit the criteria that you just set up. Okay, so now let's just update filter. Your filter has been updated, as you can see here. Now it changed from Katie and have the words hi. It will automatically do this, which is send the template of can responses. Yeah. Oh, sorry. That's update the filter if you're not happy with your filter. Now, out of office or yours maybe vacation reply is the same. Out of office, vacation reply, it's the same. You are be needing to go to the settings again for this part. You will be needing to go to the settings again for this part. So kindly from your Gmail, click on the setting here and click settings. Okay, setting years and click on settings. This time from general. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere else. Okay, because when you go to setting, it will bring you to your general. What you want to do, you just scroll down to the very bottom down until you see out of office auto reply or a vacation reply. Okay, it's the same. Out of office or vacation reply, just scroll down in your setting, general, scroll down, out of office auto reply or vacation reply. Okay, so it will be on the bottom. So you have to turn it on. Okay, out of office auto reply, kindly turn it on. Okay, kindly turn it on. So just click here to turn on. Okay, turn on my automatic reply. So it will be turned off. So now turn on. So you need to choose when is your, just move. Okay, once you turn on, you can key in and choose when is your first day of your vacation reply. Okay, so you can key in your first day. So it will start on the 20th March. It will start on the 20th March, and then my vacation reply will end on the 30th of March. Means anyone who send me an email in between this date, okay, anyone who send me an email in between this date, they will get automatic reply from me which stating this. Okay, it will automatically reply to that email with this. Okay, with this method as well. So this one, if okay, let's say if let's say you are a very busy person, you can leave you can untick the last day. Okay, you can untick the last day. Means whenever people send you email, so you can say, you acknowledge that you received your email. I thank you for your email, but I'm quite busy, you please accept some delay from me. Okay, so means that this automatic reply doesn't have an end date. Okay, doesn't have an end date. So anytime people send me an email on the 20th and above, okay, on the 20th of March and then 21st and above, whenever people send me an email, they will get an automatic response. Okay, and it doesn't end. It doesn't end. If you didn't tick on this, that means it doesn't have an end date. So whenever people send me an email after on and after 20th March, they will get this automatic response. Okay, they will get this automatic response if you didn't tick the last date. So the subject can be anything. So maybe it doesn't have to be out of office. Maybe sorry I'm busy. It can be anything at all. Okay. And here you can put the content and the details of your email. Okay, what you want to reply to that email. Okay, what you want to reply. So maybe you want to inform when will you come back to work. Okay, you might want to inform when will you come back to work, because of course when someone sending you an email, they want to get a response. So you might want to tell them, I'm sorry, I'm away and I only be back on the 24th of March, for example. Okay, here you have option. Okay, here you have another option. So since this is my company email, okay, you will be able to see this one. So but if it's not, you will not be able to see this one. And if you're using company domain, you will see your company domain here. But here in my case, I'm using Souls 247. That's why it come out like this. So for this part, you can also untick and tick. If you choose to tick only send responses to people in my contact, if you tick this one, that means it will only reply this detail to those who are in your contact. Let's say your colleague is in your contact because you often email each other. So if your colleague message you in between 20 March and 23rd of March, if that person already in your contact, they will get this response. they will get this response. But let's say I am the one who contact you in between your vacation date, I will not get this response. If you tick on this, okay, if you tick on this, if I am the one who email you, okay, who email you, I will not get this out of office reply. The same case with this option, only send only send a response to people in Souls. So that's mean if someone email me using different domain, let's say using my personal email, which is katie@gmail.com, when I send it to my work email, which is katie@souls247, my Gmail account will not get this response. Okay, will not get this response. So now let's just have a look on an example. Okay, out of office. Yeah. Yeah, physicals. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So when someone send me an email, so this person send me an email, so I will automatically reply, thank you for email. However, I am currently out of office. So the title will be here. Okay, the title that you created, just go back here. The title subject here, okay, this is the subject out of office, will be the main title here. And then it will put RE and then to the email title of the sender. Okay, because the sender was sending me this, your safety is our priority. Then I automatically respond to this one. Okay, I will automatically respond to this information. Okay, let me just go here as well. Yep. Okay, so it will automatically reply. So again, will be the subject title, and then this is the title of the email of the sender. Okay, the title of the email for the sender, and here is the detail of my out of office. So once you already created that, you just click on save changes. So now let's go here. So this is my Gmail. Go to settings. Okay. Now we're going to set up out of office. Okay, gear, go to settings. Now, like I said, I'm just going to close this. You want to bring your cursor down to the very bottom part. Okay. So here, I have my out of office automatic reply off. And then if you wish to turn it on, you can just turn on. Okay. So now you can choose your first day. So just click on this box. So this mini calendar will come out. So you just choose the date when you want to start the automatic response. Okay. Let's say I want to start on the 5th, which is today. And then just again do the same thing. Click when will be the last day. Okay, when will be the last day. So let's say only for until Monday. Okay, so if anyone send me an email between these two dates, they will get an auto response from me, which is the out of office response. If I untick last day, that means it will not end. Every time people send me an email, okay, every time people send me an email on the 5th of June and onwards, they will get an automatically reply from me that have this content. Okay, so you can play around with the words that you want to use. You can make the size. Okay, here And again, here you have the option. Either you want to send only responses to people in your contact, or only to send people in your same domain. Okay, same domain. A vacation reply in our office is the same. You don't have to worry. So either you can turn off and turn on. So let's say you can turn it on. Once you're happy with the detail here, you just click on save changes. Okay, save changes, and then that's it. It will start automatically respond. Yep. In my contact means the inbox. Hi, no. In your contacts mean your Gmail contact. Sorry, confirm this card. Yes. Go back here. So if someone that you already, let's say people will automatically be inside your contact if you often contacting with them. Okay. If you often messaging with that person, so that person will be your contact. Okay, your contact means, like for example here, when I type, I don't have to type in the full address, means this person is in my contact. Okay, it's someone that you often email. Okay, it will be in your Google contact. That person will be in your Google contact. Okay, if you are often texted with that person, if you previously have emailed that person as well, it will be saved in your contact. So anytime that you type in their name, you don't have to type in their full address, email address. It will automatically be like something like this. Okay, and then let's say if it's someone that I never contact, I just come up with something. um, Okay, I just come up with something. So this is totally someone that I didn't know. Okay, when I key in this person email address, because I never contact this person, so I need to key in this person email address, full email address. Okay, then only it will come out like this. So that's only the difference. And then once you want to add that person to contact, you bring your cursor there, and then you have this option, add to contact. So in the future, after you add this person in your contact, you just need to type in Melissa, which is Melisa, and then that's it. It will come out like what I did with Tim. Okay, that is for contact. Any other questions? Hi, for the optimizing Gmail, it will be, we will try to schedule it up, maybe on the before the end of this month. Okay, optimizing Gmail, we will try to plan it out before the end of this month. But please bear in mind, for optimizing Gmail, it's divided into two parts because we are going to cover a lot of things as well. So it will be divided into two parts, which mean 2 days for optimizing Gmail. So it will happen something before the end of this month. Any other question? Are everybody okay? Yes, all my previous classes as well. I will upload it. I will try to do it by today. I'm so sorry, in my area when it's raining, so my connections will be down a bit, so it will take longer. But yeah, I will definitely upload everything by today. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. So you can as well find my previous class, videos in there as well, because I upload my other classes as well. Any other questions that I can help you guys with? All good. So here you can choose whichever that benefit you. As for the canned responses, this because I'm showing the automatic responses, but for the canned response that you created the template, you doesn't really need to only use it in the automatic reply. If you're replying to a normal email, you may as well use the template, because let's say you are come out with an event. Okay, the event details, you save it in one template. So every time when someone asks about the event, you can just call back the template, which you don't have to type it again and again.